Hey everybody, got a new one today. Did this little Spider-Man for my nephew. It took maybe 18 hours to print, but a whole week to paint. Cause yeah, even though he's small, he's still full of detail. And doing these lines, oh my god, I hate doing Spider-Man lines. I love doing Spider-Man, but I hate doing Spider-Man webs. They're the worst. Also, hey, I printed this. It's my little photo booth. Found it on printables, and it works out. I used it for my Psylocke on my last video, but I didn't say anything about it. But I've been 3D printing gadgets that is helping me in my channel, and that I'm not afraid to show what's going on in the background. So yeah, this is pretty cool. But back to the topic, Spider-Man. So he's a chibi, and my nephew wanted something like that for his birthday, and that's what he's getting. All right. So if you guys like this and want to see more stuff like it, hit me up and I'll keep it up. All right. You guys take care and thanks for the subscribers. Keep them coming. All right. Have a good one. Peace. All right, we're gonna start it off with some Vallejo black primer, and here's the music by my son DJ Fumes. You can find him on SoundCloud. Fumes, also Fumes the DJ on Instagram. Next, we're going with the Army Painter Gray Primer, and this is straight from the bottle. No thinning. And this stuff is pretty thin. It runs out fast if if your pressure is up. And now I go in with some Vallejo white primer for a Zenithal prime. And this is going to work out in the end, especially on that head when it comes to the light shining down on it. Now I'm going to grab some red from the Triad from the Army Painter line and just go through the that Triad. You know, people asking, the process, but I pretty much use the Triad air paints that you get from the Army Painter. I do incorporate other paints, but when it comes to basic stuff like this, when you're trying to get more than one shade of color, I just use the Triad to keep it safe. So here I'm going in with the lava orange and doing my highlights with that. And you can see that sunburst is starting to pop on his head. Here you probably cannot see much, but I'm painting the bricks with a dark red, and then I'll go back and add some detail to them with some dry brushing later and some wash. Now it's time for the blue. And I'm just using, like I said, the triad again on the blues with the ultra. You got the ultramarine blue and the other lighter, darker and lighter colors. Now I'm getting those highlights in there popping. Now it's time for the worst part of doing Spider-Mans. I love Spider-Man, but this is the worst part about making Spider-Man. The spider webs on his costume. I've done tons of Spider-Mans, and I always mess up on, on the lines. This is why I don't try to do things like this in mass production. Uh, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. Good thing you seal them, and you can when you seal them with a varnish, you can come back and clean some of your mistakes up. But black, you already know. But I pressed on and got through it, and we got some nice webbing on him. Here I'm using some Balthasar gold from Citadel, and then I'll go back over it with another gold. I forgot which gold that was, but it's still from the Citadel paint line for painting Warhammer miniatures. I painted that little bandana with some Monument Hobbies turquoise, and then highlighted with I mixed some white and turquoise just to make the highlights. Pretty simple. Here I'm taking some white and that same turquoise and you know just giving some color to the brick because it is for a kid, and you know you don't want no cold looking display figure in your room. You want something colorful looking, so I just added a little color to the cement. Now I'm just dry brushing the rocks on the ground, and then I'll go back over it, with a wash. Now let's glue this bad boy up, spray him down, lock him in, and he will get a varnish and he'll be finished. After this wash, of course. And here are the final results.